Hi guys, we're here at Goodwill and we are going to run in and see if we can find some good stuff. We are going to try this one and then maybe if we get a chance we will try a second Goodwill. So let's see if we can find anything good. So we just got back in the car. We really didn't end up coming out with that much. We got a couple of baby blankets and then we got this really cute little mustard pie dress. It does have a little bit of spots on the front, but I'm really hoping that we can wash it out. And then, yeah, there was some stuff there that just was really high priced. We did come across this fun pair of Vionic sandals, which usually is a really good pickup, but I just felt like it was a little too dirty on the inside of the straps. I don't know if you can see it very well on that picture. And then there was a pair of Crocs that we came across, and those are also really good fast sellers, but they were only selling for about $20, and at the store they wanted $8 for them. They have a tendency to really price things up. But those weren't near as high in price as the stuff that's over in the case. We did take a minute to ask how much some of the shoes were that were in this case. There was some Kate Spade collaboration with Dr. Scholl's, these cute little slide sandals. And then there were some Ralph Lauren black men's boots that looked like they were selling for about $80 plus. And then they had some brand new Ariat boots, which would have been amazing. But when they came over to give us the pricing for everything, they wanted $99.99 for the Ariat boots. They wanted $40 for the Ralph Lauren boots, and they wanted $25, I think, for the Kate Spade sandals. And so, of course, there's not enough profit in those prices because that's pretty much what they're going for. So we ended up having to leave those all behind. We also got this really cute little nautical dress by Janie and Jack. Janie and Jack is really high-end, and sometimes their stuff can do fairly well. And this one was only $1.89, so I decided to pick that up. So I am here at a Goodwill. This is actually one of the worst Goodwills in our area. It is always really trashy and the prices are super high. But yeah, it's right by our post office and I just dropped off packages. So I'm going to run in and see if I can find anything good. I just got out of Goodwill. It was okay, nothing amazing, and I really wasn't expecting amazing, so that's okay. I checked through the shoes, I looked through the jeans. I didn't see any jeans, but when I was looking through the shoes, there just wasn't really anything this time either. I have lucked out a couple of times with some good sandals here because I am in Florida, and I think sometimes we get older people and they just don't wear their stuff as much, and then they move on to something new. So I have lucked out with some sandals at this store before. But then I moved on and I did check out the baby blanket section, and I did luck out and find a couple of baby blankets this time. I think I found 5. There were a couple of good Winnie the Pooh blankets from the Disney store that aren't on eBay. I think one is on eBay, but it was brand new for $70. So those might turn out to be really good. I do have to get a couple of light stains out of those that hopefully some OxyClean will take care of. But yeah, I was happy with that. And now I think we're gonna head on and see if we can go into another Goodwill. So I decided to drive out to this one that I've never been to before, and I guess we'll see how it goes. So I just came out, I just ended up with these Keen women's sandals, which looked like they were in decent condition, and they only wanted $4.99 for them. And then I got this Carter's blanket, which I think is vintage at this point. I think it was like early 2000s when this line came out for Carter's, so hopefully that will be good too. But otherwise, yeah, the store was just kind of gross. I don't know if it will be one I frequent very often. Thanks so much for watching, and here are the expected sale prices for the items we picked up today.